Hey guys, are you want to buy best replacement engine coolers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best replacement engine coolers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gaoben Engine Oil Filter Housing with Oil Cooler. The 926 to 876 upgraded oil filter housing is a reliable replacement for the original plastic version, which often suffers from leaks and cracks. Made from durable aluminum, this unit ensures improved longevity and performance. It's designed to fit a wide range of Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram models from 2011 to 2016, including the Charger, Grand Caravan, Wrangler, and Cherokee. It's fully compatible with part numbers like 926959, 68105583AA, and 68308741AA. Whether you're addressing oil leakage or simply upgrading, this housing offers a sturdy, leak-resistant solution that's easy to install and built to last. Ideal for drivers seeking better durability and peace of mind under the hood. Now our second product is Misamoto Universal Fit Transmission Cooler. This transmission cooler offers universal mounting, making it compatible with nearly any vehicle setup. Its efficient stacked plate core design ensures excellent cooling performance with minimal pressure loss, ideal for protecting your transmission during demanding use. The 3/4-inch 16 to hose barb adapters are O-ring sealed, delivering a secure, leak-free connection. With a heavy-duty 40,000 GVW rating, this cooler is perfect for towing, hauling, or high-performance applications. It also includes 50 inches of tough SAE J1532 transmission cooler hose, providing flexible and durable routing for fluid lines. Whether you're upgrading for reliability or performance, this cooler is a solid, high-capacity solution built for serious durability and efficiency. Our third product is Temsone Engine Oil Filter Housing Oil Cooler. This upgraded aluminum oil filter housing is a perfect fit for various 2017 to 2018 Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles with a 3.6L V6 engine. Unlike the fragile factory plastic housing, this aluminum version is built to last, preventing leaks and keeping debris out of your engine. It's precision engineered to fit just like the OEM part but offers far better durability. Ideal for replacing worn or leaking housings, it helps extend engine life and maintain oil system integrity. Compatible with multiple OEM part numbers, it's a smart upgrade for reliability. Backed by a 1-year quality guarantee and responsive customer service, this kit is a dependable solution for long-term performance. Now number 4, Aolihan Engine Oil Cooler. This upgraded aluminum engine oil cooler and filter housing is a durable replacement for the fragile plastic version found in many 2011 to 2016 Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram 3.6L models. Designed to keep engine oil cool and clean, it enhances performance, supports faster acceleration, and extends both oil and engine life. The improved aluminum shell resists corrosion and high temperatures, eliminating issues like oil leaks and debris contamination. It fits a wide range of vehicles and replaces numerous OEM part numbers. Ideal for preventing engine damage and costly repairs, this kit delivers reliable cooling performance. Backed by responsive customer service, it's a smart upgrade for better protection and long-term peace of mind. And our last choice is A Premium Transmission Oil Cooler. This A Premium Transmission Oil Cooler is a reliable replacement for various BMW models, including the E87, E90, F20, F30, X1, and Z4, covering both naturally aspirated and turbocharged engines. Built with corrosion-resistant materials, it ensures long-lasting, leak-free performance and effective oil cooling to protect your transmission. Compatible with models from 2006 to 2016 and designed to meet OEM specifications, it replaces part number 1721-755-1647. Whether you drive a 328i, 335i, or X1, this cooler offers dependable quality and easy fitment. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, A Premium ensures peace of mind with every drive. A solid choice for maintaining engine and transmission health in your BMW. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.